Good morning. Well, I say morning, but this one you can do anytime. I learned this in Bali from an absolutely fantastic medicine woman there. The reason why she recommended this to me was because I have quite dry skin, but also primarily because I'm a sensitive person. Now, as a sensitive person, I have a tendency to pull energy towards me or be very attractive for all kinds of energy. So we're going to use baking soda. Baking soda is ionizing, so it kind of cleans negative ions from your body, which is, negative as in like dirt and grime, but also dirty, grimy energy. This is another great tip for conserving water, because if you do this, you don't need to use soap and then rinse off with water, and you'll have really smooth skin after. So let's get into it. Okay, so I'm actually missing my favorite oil to use for this. I prefer sesame oil, but I haven't got any today. So I'm going to use coconut oil. I also have virgin coconut oil, but as you can see, it's cold now, so the oil is turned into butter, which means it's not appropriate to be using. Coconut oil should only be used when it's clarified. If it's congealed like this, the oil is not giving you its maximum. You could heat it up, but I prefer to use oil that is already liquid form. So I'm going to use a mixture of MCT oil made from coconut and extra virgin olive oil. I'm also going to use baking soda. This is the prime ingredient, and I'm going to mix about half and half. So yes, 50% of this, 50%, 25% of this, and 25% of this. You can use any kind of oil, just make sure it's really good food grade, preferably virgin oil for your skin. Quite thick, so it's not too runny. If it's too runny, you'll end up with most of it on the floor of your shower. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. And that feels like the perfect consistency now. Yes, perfect. So one more thing that you can add to your mixture, if you like, is some essential oil. If you're gonna use essential oil, please make sure you use really high quality one, because it's going to go on your skin. I love the smell of amber. Amber is not a natural smell, it's a combination of smells, and I'm not quite sure what it contains, but it just blows my mind. I love it. So I'm going to add a few drops. There we go. To my mixture, mix it up. On a side note, if your skin is quite dry, or you need some extra TLC, you might want to use a couple of drops of CBD oil as well. If you've got any pain going on, it's always nice. You can use any type of THC, CBD. So if you feel like you need it. Okay, so welcome to my bathroom. As you can see, the consistency is now really great. It smells amazing. I'm not going to show you how I put it on, because it's going to get messy. I always put it on inside of the shower or inside the bathtub, because it gets quite messy and some spillage always happens. So please don't do this anywhere else. Or if you do, don't blame me, because I warned you. But I generally will do the same trajectory as I did for the dry brushing, which is to start on the left side, moving along the left arm, doing the left side of the chest, doing the left leg, doing the right side, right arm, right side of the chest, doing my back, and then lastly my right leg. So enjoy. After you've put it on, you can rub it a little bit extra till you get the scrubbing benefits, and then use shower water to rinse it off. You don't need to use soap. And most importantly for our sensitive natures is that we are doing an energetic cleanse as well of any of the negative energies or gunk that we've caught on or held on to. So you're cleaning your energy body as well. So many benefits to this. Let me know how you like it. Let me know how it feels. Let me know how smooth your skin feels after. And if you add that kind of presence and awareness as you do it, that you're cleaning not just your physical body but also your energy body, then that will always help. Good luck and enjoy. So I've just come out of the shower and my skin feels and smells amazing. The last thing I wanted to say is you don't need to moisturize after this, so it's kind of like, everything in one amazing routine. You can do this a couple times a week or once a week, or if you feel like you've been in a situation with a lot of energy, do it when you get home and just let it do its magic for you. Especially in winter, I think this is so great. And now with conserving water and everything, like literally I rinsed off, like I stood in the shower, scrubbed it in a little bit extra, especially back of the hands, inside the palms where we hold gunk, behind the ears, between the toes, and then literally just rinse it off. Make sure you don't have, because if you keep the baking soda on, you have little crusty things. So just rinse it off. The shower I took was about 90 seconds, and I just feel like I've had like the coziest hug, and everywhere I touch it's so soft. It's so soft and it feels so good. And it's really nice because the second you come out, you can put clothes on. It's not that kind of sticky, oily stuff. It's just smooth and soft. So please have it a try. Please try and give me some feedback. Tell me how you feel after, and let me know if you're going to keep using it, because honestly, it's one of those things that when I started, it's just upped my game. So I hope you enjoy.